What are you doing over here?
I don't know. I'm just standing here.
We usually go sit at the
yeah, I know.
table over
We
there.
have a new fancy toy.
Oh, okay.
We have a new fancy toy.
So what do you want to talk about?
Okay, so we're talking about social media. A few things. Klout. You've heard of Klout, right?
Klout. Oh,
The rating system.
Yeah.
So this is
See how I made it sound like I knew what I was talking about there, just very briefly.
Yeah, this is the social.
Oh, Klout.
Klout. Yeah.
Okay.
So for those who don't know, Klout is the social network that gives you a score based on how well you do on social interactions. So be it Twitter, Facebook.
Okay, Dina's got to be way up there because she answers every single person on Twitter.
Every person on Twitter, but it doesn't only count that. It counts the amount of interactions with a person versus the amount of tweets that you put out. So we have a pretty good score at BT, 81.
Is that out of 100, I presume?
That is out of 100. You have a pretty high score. I believe you're sitting at around 87.
Ooh,
Dina,
Klout.
just a little under that.
Wait, okay,
Winston all the way down.
Okay, Dina cannot be below me on Klout. There's something flawed in that system because honestly, she lives on Twitter.
I know, but it's also the amount of followers you have, and there are a bunch of interactions that take into account.
Okay.
And they've been trying to change the algorithms of how that score is calculated, but Klout is to be acquired for $100 million. And for me, it's an interesting view in the world of social media and whether this is something that people buy into, because I don't know if social network and how well you do can be calculated in a number.
Yeah,
So
definitely, yeah.
That's an interesting...
And the quality of what you're doing as well.
Exactly.
The quality of what you're doing. Okay.
Exactly. And we're going to talk...
Wait.
Okay.
Can I do it?
Yeah. Look at that, look at that. Okay, and we're also talking about a really neat beer fridge that just showed up in Sochi. Canadians, Molson set up this fridge. We've seen it in Europe.
They've been going all over the place with this for the last year or so with putting it in different spots, yeah.
So this just showed up in Sochi where you can scan your passport and it'll unlock the door and you can grab a nice cold one. So really neat there. Yeah. And one other story we're following for you this morning. If this works here, go for it. Oh, you gotta do it. There you go. Okay, the Samsung Galaxy S5. This is the phone, a really geeky phone that's rumored to come out in Mobile World Congress.
I need it. I need it. Why do I need it? Why do I need it?
Because it's to come with a really neat fingerprint scanner, which we've seen on the iPhones, which we already have, but a larger, improved battery life, which a lot of people are talking about right now.
Am I the only one just in the last little while? And no, it's not Samsung, but with my iPhone, just in the last week,
I've heard a lot of reports about this.
Just in the last week, all of a sudden, is there some new update that came down that's sucking up my battery life?
Are you closing your apps and restarting your phone?
Yeah, I do. I close all the apps quite often.
Because I noticed mine is pretty good, but I've heard a lot of people say the same thing, that it's not as good. So
let me know if you're having problems with it just in the last little while. So there's some new update that came down that's sucking up my battery life. Yeah.
I'll follow that for you.
Because I think that's a very important feature.
Good battery.
Okay, what did I do there?
You just broke it. You just broke it. Look at you. Look at you.
Oh well, this is why we can't have nice things. Russ Holden.